Hello everyone, Know Your English here with another idiom video. Today we are looking into a phrase you've probably heard a million times. Bite the hand that feeds you. This phrase packs a punch and is used to describe an act of ingratitude or betrayal against someone who has provided support or kindness. Imagine someone helping you out big time and instead of thanking them, you turn around and metaphorically bite them. Not cool, right? Now, where does this saying come from? It's believed to have roots that stretch way back to ancient times. The concept itself potentially existed in various forms in folklore and oral traditions across different cultures. However, one of the earliest written examples can be traced to the 18th century, appearing in texts that discuss moral and ethical behavior. Similar expressions are found in other languages too, which suggests that this idea of not returning kindness with hostility is a universal human value. This shows that long before our modern version, people were already preaching the same message. Don't betray those who help you. Today, the idiom is still widely used, often in political or corporate contexts to criticize individuals or groups who harm their benefactors or allies. It's a powerful reminder of the importance of loyalty and gratitude in human relationships. Understanding such phrases not only enriches our vocabulary, but also offers a glimpse into the values that transcend time and culture. Keep this in mind, and you'll not only be wiser, but perhaps a bit more grateful to those who lend you a hand. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video into the fascinating world of language.